This is Jen from This Mama's Kitchen doing some in-home meal prep for a client of mine in Ottawa, and I'm just here to show you all of the things that I have made for today. It is a lot of things. So we've got chicken Greek salad bowls, diced fruit, all kinds of different fruits in there, diced and chopped ready to go vegetables, a turnip and carrot mash, a tabbouleh salad, tzatziki, diced cooked chicken breast, turkey soup with all the leftovers from Easter dinner, Thai coconut curry soup, a couple of those. There's a couple of breakfast bowls with sauteed veggies on the bottom, 6 overnight oat jars, homemade hummus, extra Thai curry peanut sauce to go along with the roasted veggie chickpea Thai curry wraps, a freezer meal there's a Greek chicken freezer meal and a chicken Mexican freezer meal, and then in the oven is a meatloaf to go for dinner tonight. And that is everything. Yes, it is.